Let's take a look at these Spartan cables. This is a 1/0 cable, pure stranded copper, made in the US. Made in the US. These clamps are really nice, and they're bonded on both sides, right? This plastic is fiberglass reinforced plastic. It's like abrasion resistant, all the resistant, and for, you know, I don't think I can make a pair for any cheaper than I bought them. And to be honest, I don't think they're going to be quite as nice as these. Really, it did come with this little strap thing here, and I'm impressed. I'm impressed, man. Let's make some more stuff in America.